The edge here, it has a massive white object inside the center of it. Well, under here, it looks like there's another crater with all these holes here. It's not holes, it's actually rocks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 6 or 7 rocks in a perfect circle formation. And right here, all these rocks here is where I showed everyone at one point the massive cities with all these structures at the back, because we can see all these dome structures at the back here, beautiful structures. There's lots to see. Lots to see on the moon. So many areas that have these different city-like installations. A couple of bumps at the bottom. You wouldn't think to find these inside of a crater on the side of the moon. There is lots to see. And this is the edge, the moon, where it comes out like an egg shape at the end. Here you can see the beautiful uneven edge. 4 more bumps here. You know that there's something, and it's not natural when you see them that evenly. Can't help but notice, even though they're small, areas that do have the dots there. They're apparent. They're small, far away, but you can still see them. Here too, coming up to anomalies and structures here. You see? Here, the circle that we could see before, it looked like the 5 or 7 hole craters, we can very apparently see very well that they're not holes. They're formations, rocks, anomalies, whatever you want. Another tunnel coming out right here. Tunnel structure of another covered area. You see how it looks so thin and crusty, this layer? It's fake. It was laid down with whatever they put in, beams. It's not very hard. They made a floor over to hide what's underneath. There's lots of areas that are have areas underneath that are hidden. Here too, that looks like a rock sticking out. It's under this area here, which is just actually a top, and all this thrown over tops so that you can not notice it. It's you can see, there's a structure right there. There I got the amazing city when we had gotten, see in the rock here, I'd showed you hundreds, almost thousands of structures on this rock-like object, which isn't a rock, it's the size of a mountain. So is this one here. An entrance there. Structures all along here on the top of the rocks. This is a beautiful side of the moon to view. It's always this area that I've come up with all these structures. Beautiful, just beautiful. When I look in closer detail, once again, to see if we can pick anything else up. These glass-like crystalline towers, green in color, whether it be glass or no matter what the structure, they do look see-through, and we're looking at some right now. Beautiful. You can see them all here. Standing up. They're all structures. Looks like a line of toothpaste here, that white line there, all structures. These were all built. All these rock areas, all built. I mean, if not, think of it. How could all these rocks have gotten on one end of the... See those blast-like structures again, right down here. So we need a technique to get through that color. That particular color the camera does not like at all. It rejects it. Just like we were standing right there. Really is just like we were standing right there. Look at the details. Look at the bumps and structures. These are all lines of structures. Can you see here? Look at that. The structures. Everything's communicating. Tunnels, see? When you look close, there's a lot more than you think. Look on the ground. Here too. It's infested. So, I'm bringing the photo back into Enhance Shop, and we'll see what happens after that. Look at the details and the rocks. This entire area, entire surface has been manipulated. And look at that. Do you see that in the side of the mountain? Look at the detail. More structures there. More there. All the structures are there. All in green right here. We're all in green here. You can see all this patch-like area. Wow, you get to see it a bit better. The bottom.